Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, or maybe still a morning. Welcome to XM Live Education. This is the beginner's room. My name is Stanislav Kolev. In a session called Indicators Masterclass, it's going to be a whole hour with me, and I look forward to have this session as always as an open discussion, open debate. Let's talk trading, let's talk markets, let's talk opportunities. Really looking forward to exchange because it's been very dynamic trading week. Maybe not so much for the forex world, but outside, I mean, that's been pretty solid. Um, Also, for the people that are watching us from YouTube, you could also share your questions in the YouTube chat. I see Gonce is the first to speak. Hello, Gonce. Where are you from? What type of trader you are? And what are you up to? The biggest, actually, this is the hottest trade that is running in my portfolio. This is Coco. This is an absolute, now the modern people call it a banger, right? You correct me if I'm wrong. Is that a banger? I mean, if I'm not sure, I heard this word somewhere. I hope it's not offensive to anybody, and it's not meaning a bad thing. Okay, maybe I check before. Banger meaning sung with loud British a sausage. No, I don't mean a sausage. I mean that it's the boom type of trade. Excuse me if I said something that is not meant to be for a live session, but this is the best performing. That's Coco. We got it first entry from the top, second entry on the breakout and closing inside of the structure, and we got the third one already executed last week. I think I was in a session with Juni. For the people that follow this um, and follow my sessions, you know very well that I'm running trades for multiple days, even weeks. And this is one of the trades that I would love to maintain for extended period of time, of course, if the market allows me to. This is bearish market, and I think that we're getting down to target of 5,000. If this happens, those three positions that I'm currently maintaining from the current price is going to give us about 10K total, which will be an absolute um, great. Okay, let's use the word great, a little bit more conventional expression instead. So this is with Coco. It's running well. I'm actually considering protecting some of the entries. So the last one I put stop above the current 4-hour high, above the daily high, because we're breaking now. And if we get in, maybe, yeah, I think all three of them to protect and put them here. Yes, let's go. Yeah, I think that's a pretty solid one. Already the chat is on fire. Noma, good afternoon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome on board. Wandile in the building. Hi, Wandile. Welcome to you. How is everything? How is life? How is trading? And we've got Noma, my hottest trade is Bitcoin and dollar Japanese yen. I'm just getting on the charts right now. Bitcoin target 10,000. I think, did I short the Bitcoin with the MT4 for you or no? No, because I have it. No, okay, we didn't. Bitcoin, no, I didn't short it for you, but your long position on the dollar Japanese yen, it is here. Um, July 14th is the date where we could get some changes and shifts here. And up until then, this is long uh, for Noma. So congratulations. This is the comment that you made on the 10th of June. 10th of June candle is here. This is the 10th of June candle. So from your call, we're currently 240. We have been close to 300 pips. So huge congratulations. And I think you deserve the money gun. Huge congratulations to Noma, who is milking the dollar Japanese yen. I am actually a little afraid to trade that instrument both up and downside. I'm shorting very small, and I'm not looking to buy those highs. The risk for interventions are there, so it's just not my cup of tea at the moment. And I believe that there are easier setups, just easier setups to go with. Yeah, Taka. I want to change the date of closing 10th of July. Okay, let us go. No, not here. So we change it July the 10th. And it's good that you change because this means that there is a form of analytical thinking and change happening for you. And this is exactly what most people are kind of missing. This type of analytical shifts that you forget about your ego and you follow your trading system. And this is very important. Like, as I said, most people don't have this skill for them to change. They just stick with the same target: buy dollar, buy dollar, buy dollar, sell dollar, sell dollar, sell dollar forever, right? And they end up in the loop that at some point they're right and they don't blow their account. But the moment that the trend shift, it's absolutely changing. So congratulations to Noma. Um, Take profit 61 and above. We're just starting the week, so we'll be the whole week together with you and exchanging and debating and talking about those um, opportunities, of course, and the US dollar, the Japanese yen as well. Low Way in the building. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome on board. How was your weekend too? And which instrument you're interested into discussing in this hour? Taka, one dile. I'm good, Stan. Hope you had a great weekend. I had a great time. Um, Saturday was I was exercising my duty to the society in a non-government organization. Yesterday was a beautiful spending time with my family, the beach. Didn't spend time in front of the computer at all. I was just with the phone a little bit here and there. But I had a great time, and I have to say that I did some good night sleep. And after 1 week of a deload, which is a pause of an exercise, today was my first day back. Um, what it's called? I don't go to the gym. I go in the summer outside on the bars. Bars? Is it call it a bars? And probably, maybe. Um, and trading is progressive. I'm learning a lot from you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for the trust. And you just keep on coming and keep on learning and keep on asking questions. Don't you ever, don't you ever hold back. Ask everything that comes to your mind. Just bring it on. Just bring it on. Taka, going to the next viewer, who is Jensel from House Guest. Hi, House Guest. Thank you so much for tuning in. What's going on? How is life? Any setups? I have a setup that you guys might be very interested in, and this is related to the European equities, more specifically with the German DAX. And we're attempting this false breakout onto the upside. So I want to be a short seller as soon as we get a lower low, lower close here. Not that I didn't sell on the whole wave up, right? I did, but it's bearish. So I cannot buy here. I want to sell. And sell is the only option and the only um, option that I see here. something changes, maybe I will change the data again. Exactly. And this is exactly the approach that I'm talking about. Um, I come 1 week and I say sell dollar, sell dollar, sell dollar, and it comes 3, 4 days, and I say buy dollar, buy dollar, buy dollar. Within a moment of time, where the information that I'm using to create my bias, whether this is a technical, fundamental, or sentimental information, any of those three, if anything changes and I have a completely different vision, then I change too. And I think everybody have to to adapt the skill of changing an opinion where you have to change it. As soon as the information, the data suggests, you change it with the data. Period. You don't ask questions, no nothing. Data changes, you change too. And in this case, in the longer run, you will have you will be not going with your stubborn opinion like most retailers do, but you will be having an opinion that is based on certain factors. Um, so this is the technical chart for the German DAX. We're having a bearish leg down and the market have been correctively going up. What I don't like is that in the last few waves up, we started seeing bullish candles, significantly bullish candles, those 4-hour bull candles. And I am I want to be a short seller, and I want this short sell below this low, below the 1 hour. Yeah, we could short it right now, but it's about my selling price anyway. Um, what do you think? Noma is saying next Monday also important for dollar Japanese yen. What exactly is happening then? I didn't look so far from it. Since we have this week, we have the GDP, and um, we have the GDP, and we have the inflation data, PCE price index on Friday. What's happening on Monday, and also say Bitcoin seems like going below 50,000. What do you think? I think that we're at a very strong zone here that the market appreciated a lot previously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times here. What I also see is that the market is significantly bearish, and at the moments that this is looking so bearish, this is the time for you to start buying. I have no buy signal, and except I just buy blindly the zone, I don't see a reason for me to be a long buyer at this structure. No reason. No reason. Um, my best call will be a false breakout below this low. Because the structure didn't change, right? This is again a buying territory. It doesn't change the fact that this is a buying zone. Buying, 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 buying. Um, and in the case that we got a false breakout, the same zone or retest of this previous spring, which was also climactic move, I think in terms of probability, I think there is a higher probability for us to at least get this level bought. Yes. I see bigger probability at least bought. I'm not saying that we're going from this level up here, but at least some buying. On the other hand, I have no buy signal. I cannot buy, and it's going down. I cannot sell either. This does look ultra bearish after this move down, after this leg down.